this is the role I want to play. Okay. So I don't know what you're saying when you say play role. You see? Okay. So now it works. Okay. You see, so they don't want me to use H265. So obviously, it works on YouTube. They just don't want me to use that. You see? So or maybe it's because I used 8,000 bitrate. Should have tried 9,000 using 64. You see, I'm not going to relaunch the stream. Ok, je vais pas relancer le stream. Honnêtement, ils sont fous. Oui, ils sont complètement fous. Oui, ils veulent pas que j'utilise H265. Ok, ils ne veulent pas. Donc, so they don't want me to use H265. It's crazy, huh? Because obviously, why would YouTube not support it? You see, obviously YouTube supports it. So you see, it's just Apple not wanting me to use H265. Okay, so this is it. Okay. So you know what, Apple? Fuck you. Why don't you want me to use H265? Basically, when I create technology, I want the more people to use it. You see? So why would you not want me to use it? You see? This is crazy. Works on Twitch, works on X, obviously should work on YouTube. So Google has very nice engineers, one of the best infra, and YouTube supports H265. So why do you do that? Okay? Why do you do that, Apple? Pourquoi tu fais ça, Apple? Honnêtement, franchement, quel est l'intérêt? Honnêtement, je pense qu'il n'y en a pas. Hein. C'est même l'inverse, vous voyez? C'est même l'inverse, c'est même mauvais. Parce que H265 permet d'économiser. Vous voyez? Donc, voilà. Voilà. So I won't basically because so you see, it could be the bitrate, it could be H264, H265. I won't change the settings because basically they once I change, they could change how they're doing things. Okay, so I'm not changing that. Okay. Donc une fois que ils ont changé. Alors une fois que je change de 64, de 65 et le bitrate, vous voyez, ils pourraient aussi changer leur technique et ne plus bloquer. Vous voyez, donc ça ne sert à rien. Ok. So, donc voilà. Là c'est Apple. C'est Apple déjà. So obviously cannot work with people that do that. Obviously. So obviously still open to work with you if you want to stop doing that to me and to people. We'll always want to like work with you guys if you wanna stop doing that to people. Si vous voulez arrêter de faire ça, évidemment que je voudrais travailler avec vous. Ok. Donc ouais, maintenant, bon, jamais du coup, je ne savais pas. Vous voyez, je ne savais pas. J'ai même envoyé un CV à Apple, j'ai parlé à un employé d'Apple, etc. À un moment, vous voyez. Je ne savais pas. Ok. Donc voilà. So I even sent a CV to Apple and spoke with an Apple like with an Apple employee at one point. But honestly, so I didn't know, guys. Didn't know. Cannot work with people that do that. Okay. But I'm still open. You see, I'm still open to basically. So if you want to stop doing that to people, obviously, still open to work with you guys to make the world a better place. Ok. Toujours ouvert à travailler avec vous pour faire du monde une comment dire, pour pouvoir faire du monde quelque chose de meilleur sans faire ça aux gens, vous voyez, without doing that to people. So if you're down, I'm down. If you do not want to do that, basically, I cannot work with you guys, and I'm going to use other computers and building this project with other people. Okay. I wanted to work with you, honestly, many times. Never worked. So celui-ci. J'ai voulu travailler beaucoup de fois avec vous. Ça n'a jamais marché. Ok. Donc malheureusement, voilà. Okay, guys. So honestly, don't have hard feelings. Just apparently you do not agree with what I wanna do. Vous n'êtes pas d'accord avec ce que je veux faire, et donc voilà. Donc il n'y a pas de souci. So I think no problem, guys. Just going to build that with other people. Okay. So moving to using so Linux, Windows. Okay. So going to close, I think, the curtain. Bon, il y a toujours des reflets qui sont forts quand même. Le problème, c'est que je peux pas régler. So I cannot, you see, I cannot change the. It's crazy how Apple limiting everything. So I cannot change the settings of the camera. Je peux pas changer les settings de la caméra. Et so you see, doesn't work. Basically, Okay, going with full black. Don't have the choice. You see. And artificial light. Ok. Donc voilà. On voit pas très bien. Donc alors j'aimerais bien, vous voyez. So. You see, I cannot change any settings. But you see, I don't think it's a Camo fault. Let me. Okay, I can change the lens. Okay, I can change it here. Alright. So, would have been great to show that on the. So, exposure. So. So, telephoto. No. Ultra wide. Ultra wide could be great. But just the wide is fine for now. Okay, spotlight. So obviously it's exposure, brightness. So you see the screen is so let's go with lower shutter speed. To get a brighter image. So can I zoom on that or no? Framing. Obviously I can frame. Nice. So wow, really nice software. Okay. Confirm that. I do not have the best, so I need to be able to type, you see. Maybe you need to see my my hands typing though. Yes, maybe it's better if you see my hand typing. So. So obviously, you see how everything can be controlled? So in real time. So if you see the white balance changing, donc la balance des... alors vous voyez, so I have to... Basically, you see, I don't see any reflection. It's crazy how... Okay, I see reflections now. Okay, sorry. sorry. I was kind of dumb for a moment. So okay, so the ISO is like software applied. obviously I want to low ISO. Wow. Okay, so now it's not responding as fast. Okay, so I need to close the... Voilà. And I need to reduce the brightness of this computer. Okay, the problem is that you basically see what I have on my other screen, so I need to not show you that, you see? So I need to frame it anyway. So can I cut part of the screen? Alors, est-ce que je peux couper une partie? So, je suis obligé de faire comme ça, putain. So you see, there are still features lacking. So I cannot show my, you see. So sorry guys, won't show my my hands. So because I cannot, you see. So because I'm not going to show. Why wait? No, because sometimes I need to hide numbers. You see, I need to hide numbers on my other screen, so I cannot show you my other screen, unfortunately. But because my parents don't want me to show my my address and things like that, which is kind of normal. Okay, so sorry if it's not the best way of wait, maybe I can put it on the other side though. I'm going to put that on the other side. Let me put that. So you have to move everything. Donc je dois tout bouger. Mais je pense que de l'autre côté, c'est pas mal. Hop. Alors, vous voyez, une autre perspective pour vous. Alors, il y a beaucoup de bordel hein, sur... bon, il faut que je vais ranger un peu. Je vais ranger un peu, évidemment. Mais, voilà. Alors, so there's a lot of things to clean. So like this, you can see basically my hands on the keyboard. So you see, so this is my keys. So let's try to get a better view. Okay, I think that's good. So my glass is my sunglasses there. So I want to be able to have a greater view on the screen, but the thing is that if I show you this, you cannot see my hands, you see. So honestly, going for that anyway. Maybe I can get, so obviously I'm going to go full screen with this. Donc so this obviously going to keep the net less, which is nice. So not going to keep the box. Obviously, guys, so they want me to like stay inside, like in a hidden room. Not going to stay inside, okay? Because you see, so apparently the third the third party I'm describing is, it's kind of a government, you see. So, but basically I don't care, because there should be a third party that's not a government, okay? So it's possible, basically, people that are able to take care of themselves, okay? Les gens qui sont capables de développer les choses eux-mêmes, okay? So maybe this could be people that own their things, that follow these frameworks, ok? Donc les gens qui sont propriétaires, voilà, follow ça, ok? So here you go. So you see this computer, 32 gigs of memory. So it's not too, like, it's not the worst computer ever, but so I had problems with the UEFI setup utility, so I could not use it at some point. But right now it's working though. Right now it's working, so it's okay. The problem is that my MacBook Pro is a lot stronger though, so hardware wise, but I cannot use it. You see, too many problems, so going to use this one. Going to use the MacBook Pro, but focusing on this one right now. So getting that here. Donc, on va ranger un peu, c'est un peu le bordel. Pour dire le minimum. Donc, c'est une expression un peu anglaise, mais voilà. Bon, de toute façon, on peut aussi recréer des expressions françaises. Justement, il faut. Et c'est aussi le projet. Le but, c'est de vous donner capacité de faire ça. Vous voyez? Ok. Donc, hop. So, obviously going to keep the paper tablet here. So, this is my first Apple device. Donc ça, c'est mon premier... oui, bon, je peux peut-être le montrer là. Voilà. Bon, c'est mon premier... so, c'est un iPod Nano. Et j'avais beaucoup de musique dessus. Et donc à l'époque, je téléchargeais illégalement. So at the time, I was downloading illegally, but not doing that anymore. You see, I was young. Sometimes you do things that you're not supposed to do. Donc voilà. I was really young, like 13. So you go. Honestly, I had a great time with this. Listen to a lot of music and love music now. Not going to download illegally anymore, but basically, if companies are abusing people, going to work on a lot of things to prevent that, you see. Donc, hop, hop. So again, showing you this. Look at all the resistance on this. So you see all the resistance? Basically heating up devices using a battery at an increased rate. Okay? I think so. Not sure, did not verify it, but almost sure. Okay? Because I tested a lot of things. Donc, je continue de ranger. Donc, ça. Alors, la microfibre Apple, très 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 bien. Honnêtement, la meilleure microfibre que j'ai jamais vue de ma vie. Vous voyez. Alors, c'est pour ça que, bon, Apple fait de l'hardware qui est incroyable. Vous voyez. Mais là, le software ne marche pas. Donc, en gros, bon, c'est. Bon, il procède comme ça, et vous voyez, il procède comme ça avec mon cerveau. Euh, et bah, en général, vous voyez, le corps humain, bon, euh, il est extrêmement bien designé. Vous voyez. Donc, bon, c'est. Alors, ça dépend des personnes, mais vous voyez, là, chez la plupart des personnes, bon, le corps humain est extrêmement bien designé, et donc, bon, c'est quand même eux qui ont l'idée là-dessus. Maintenant, bon, ça se fera de manière claire, hein. Que l'on soit bien clair. Alors, pas tout de suite. Moi, déjà, je vais pas travailler sur le corps humain, vous voyez, pas tout de suite. Euh, Peut-être dans 10, 20 ans, vous voyez. Mais pour l'instant, moi, je suis sur la technologie. Et peut-être sur des produits d'accélération de la croissance, vous voyez. Mais ça se limitera là, je pense. Vous voyez. Voilà. Mais en tout cas, l'hardware de Apple, incroyable. Vous voyez, le MacBook Pro, incroyable. Voilà. Euh, so this going to keep on there. Un petit sac, pourquoi pas. Petite gomme. Bon, après, techniquement, normalement, j'ai une paper tablette, mais au cas où, ça peut toujours servir. Petit crayon. Hop. Donc j'ai la pochette de. Vous voyez, j'utilise presque jamais. La pochette de mes écouteurs, vous voyez. Bon. Euh, Parce que vous voyez, en gros, je vais pas. Vous voyez, enfin, ouvrir la pochette, les mettre et tout ça, ça prend tout le temps. Juste, je les mets, vous voyez, puis voilà. Mais bon, allez, je vais la mettre quand même dans mon sac. Et puis quand je vais les transporter, vous voyez, je vais utiliser ça. So you see, so this is donc ça c'est un composant piézoélectrique, ok? So it can work as a microphone or as a beeper, you see. So and basically it gets vibrations, okay? So
Gauthier,
oui. So basically, you have things that can be used as microphones everywhere around you. Okay. Just basically, what a microphone is transforming vibrations into electric current. Okay. Still have my old glasses. Going to keep them. Can be useful sometimes, and I like them also. Maybe I can do some aluminium UC things with the cans. So not going to keep all my trash for now, but at some point we're going to do recycle things to basically to get everyone to be able to recycle their things. On essaiera de faire en gros de pouvoir que vous puissiez réutiliser tous les déchets que vous produisez. Vous voyez. Donc alors, moi je pars sur incinérateur, c'est le plus simple. Donc incinérateur avec, vous voyez, récupération des gaz, évidemment. So incinerator with recuperation of gases, okay. And then, so we're going to do this thing first, which is like allowing you to do really fast, and maybe other things, we'll see. Maybe more high level. So high level, basically you know how to do high level. So maybe also like different recycling, like different recycling ways. Okay. Donc, hop, bon, j'ai pas mal de stylos. Alors, j'en avais des mieux. So I had a better, like, better pen, but I got them stolen. Like, I lost them or got them stolen. Okay. Like, they stole it from me. Ok. Oui. Ah, attends, papa, je suis en train de ranger. J'enregistre. Oui, là, j'enregistre. Pourquoi? 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 Papa, calme-toi. Je fais des allers-retours, je vais pas à chaque fois ouvrir la porte et fermer la porte. Si. Moi je veux pas. So we also maybe so we'll be opening batteries to see like what's going on with batteries. Obviously. I have so you see like they like symbols, so obviously this is a symbol. I have 20 I have 22 cents. You see? So 22 cents on the 22. So you see? So if so I've obviously it's funny. So you see this kind of symbols it's funny. But so we're also going to open a battery like that. So never open the battery. So you're going to say to me, wow, you're interested by everything and you never open the things. Basically, because like they always prevented me to, you see? That's why. Okay. So, here. Also maybe the Apple one. We'll see how the Apple one stack up to the Motorola one. So I think Apple is making amazing hardware. Basically, it's the software that they're fucking up often. So this, why not using this sometimes? So maybe I need a better one, but for now. Whoop. Hop. Donc ça peut me servir. Alors maybe I'm going to do some cable management also. So maybe not, because you see, like, this might move. Maybe going to go somewhere else, or you see. So if I do too much cable management, not going to be able to do that. So I need modular and removable cable management, you see. Donc alors. Donc j'utilise la méthode, vous voyez, je mets mes papiers en pile et les derniers papiers tout en haut. J'utilise cette méthode là. Alors c'est une méthode fast, mais le truc c'est que si je veux retrouver un papier de il y a 5 ans, c'est compliqué. Donc bon, c'est juste que pour les derniers papiers, c'est bien d'utiliser cette méthode. Alors ensuite il faut classer. Mais en général, bon, le moins de papier possible, c'est bien aussi. Donc ça. Ma caméra elle est où? Pas de la caméra dans la bataille. Vas-y. Ok. Alors. Ça on va le mettre là-dessus. Voilà. Ça. Comme ça. Alors ça va être compliqué, mais malheureusement je peux pas faire beaucoup mieux. Alors ça c'est pour mon casque. Je vais le garder. ça. Donc, tout ça, bon, ça c'est des notes que j'avais faites. Alors, soit à l'hôpital, vous voyez, quand j'étais démonté, euh, soit un peu plus tard. Donc ça devait être début d'année, fin d'année dernière. Ça c'est début d'année. Donc ça c'est sur les statuts de l'entreprise. C'est vraiment vraiment bien. C'est ce que je vais implémenter dans les statuts de l'entreprise. Oui. Donc voilà. Alors pas tout de suite. Pas tout de suite, pas tout de suite. Et voilà. J'aimerais bien quand même avoir un client. Bon, pour l'instant on se focus sur ça. Et peut-être que grâce à ça il y aura un client qui voudra bien. Donc voilà. Ouais, le problème c'est que ouais, c'est quand même compliqué. On va trouver. On va trouver ce qu'il faut. Bon, évidemment, j'espère qu'ils vont pas enlever des. Je crois qu'ils m'ont enlevé des trucs. Ils m'ont enlevé des trucs là. Donc voilà. J'avais beaucoup plus de feuilles. Et quand ça important. J'avais écrit beaucoup plus de trucs sur papier, il me semble, mais ils m'ont enlevé des trucs, évidemment. Et évidemment, je m'en souviens plus. Voilà. Bon, c'est pas grave, de toute façon. Il y a les statuts de l'entreprise, c'était le plus important. Voilà. Bon, ça c'était bien aussi. Alors ça c'était hyper important. Donc ça c'était pas mal. Ça. Bon, ça c'était une sorte de code que j'avais fait. C'était un exemple de code. Vous voyez, à un moment j'avais fait ça. Évidemment, bon, si vous voulez, on fera ça. Mais alors c'est bien pour transmettre des choses sur des canaux. Oui, ça on le fera. Ok, donc ça important aussi. Alors j'avais eu donc une idée d'émission. Donc émission pour redonner confiance euh, euh, en la création d'enfants. Vous voyez, bon, la création d'enfants c'est un peu bizarre, mais je voulais dire dans avoir des enfants. Oui. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Attends, je finis de regarder dans tous mes papiers. Évidemment, ouais, là j'avais fait d'autres trucs. Alors, il est où mon code? Et là, hop. Voilà. Ok. So I think there was a made of letters. There was another page. Wait, there. Oh, maybe it's there. Okay. 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 So I have a lot of ideas about this. So I have a project of making like a TV show where parents like could present like their children, what they do with their children and things like that. And this could inspire people to have children, and so I think I have a lot of ideas for that. C'est une partie importante sur quoi que j'ai pu faire. Ok. Ok. So this is going to put that here. Maybe I can put my headset here also. Let me add my headset. Okay. Okay. So you see a lot of cables, but it's fine. So going to keep that one. So maybe I can put this cable on the other side. Je peux mettre ce câble de l'autre côté, vous voyez. Je l'avais mis là au début. Parce que j'avais mis la caméra de l'autre côté. Ok. Ouais. So going to keep this thing. Okay. So a lot of things there. Maybe what I could do is so charging the lock I have on my key, you see here. So do I have another cable like this? Yes. I'm very limited in USB-C ports, unfortunately. Je suis assez limité au niveau des ports USB-C. Alors j'en ai un ici aussi, il me semble. Effectivement, je peux peut-être utiliser celui-là. Alors, peut-être un USB A derrière. Et see, so a lot of things falling, obviously. Cannot do much better right now. Ok, donc voilà. Je vais recharger. So going to recharge my keys, my key lock. Like my so I have a lock with a fingerprint scanner. So which I need to recharge. So do I need to recharge some things? « 60. Donc il va falloir bientôt que je recharge ça. Ok, bon, on verra un peu plus tard. Comme ça, c'est pas chiant. So it's going to be annoying. Like this. This is fine. Maybe a bit like that. Okay. I think this is better for you. So like this. That's fine. Donc. Okay. So I think I got a good setup. Ça c'est important. Je vais garder mes microfibres. So I'm going to keep my microfibers. Obviously, might basically use the microfibers like for some things, but not right now. So whoop. Okay, so I think we're good. Donc on est bon. Donc là, on est pas mal. On est vraiment pas mal. C'est quand même embêtant de ne pas l'avoir centré. Oui. Mon clavier. Bon, après, je peux l'utiliser comme ça aussi. Ouais. De toute façon, ça, ouais, faut que je l'utilise comme ça. Ouais, je pense que c'est pas mal. So I think that's good. So sorry for the setup. An hour long setup. More than 1 hour because YouTube Apple was blocking H265 to go on YouTube. You see, so I don't know. So the quality is nice. So I never looked a lot into the quality. The quality is really nice. Okay, so looks nice, looks really nice, and I can show you things on this camera. Okay, perfect. And is there sound? Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. Okay, so the sound test. Do I do a sound test? So because if the integrity sequence is too long, it's going to be really like at some point I really have so many things to check. You see that it's going to be a huge score. You see, so at some point it's going to be like maybe 10 to 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. You see, so how can we do that? Obviously going to use automations at some point, but right now I don't have really the capability to do a lot of automations. Okay, so right now with Streamlabs I have some automations. Obviously, you see, I can see several streams at the same time, so can check that in one check. But there's a lot of things that I need to do by hand, so I need to check the sound though. So I don't know. Do I trust Streamlab? Basically, do I trust this? Do I trust the microphone on Streamlab? Because so I was trusting this, you see. Obviously, I forgot at some point. À un moment, j'ai oublié. Mais so at some point I forgot. I lost 7 hours of stream, which was a really interesting stream. But anyway, so I mean, let's do the boring check. Obviously, we will build AI and automations to do these checks. Okay, because yeah. So obviously, I think for movies, I think what they do is that they have people doing these checks, so they don't have a lot of automations, I think, in movies. So basically, this can so if you are movie guys, this can like elevate your workflow. So basically, it's not about replacing your job. You see, it's about allowing you to go further into your job. You see, so for example, like take the most maybe like holding the microphone. You see, above people. Maybe in some scenes they still do that. So you see, for example, let's say you hold the microphone like this. You realize that you can make basically let's say So if you're only holding the microphone, it's a bit limited, but let's say you're holding the microphone. You're holding the microphone, you realize that basically you can get a better microphone, like a better microphone gimbal, you see? So you realize that you can get an electronic gimbal, so like a gimbal that holds the microphone in the right position. Then you realize that maybe you can have like buttons on your like your microphone to move the gimbal and basically move the microphone in a certain way, you see? Maybe at some point you realize that if you put a certain microphone in certain settings, you can basically have different properties of the sound, you see? And so you see, and now you're like, you have a job that has a lot of skills, you get it? So so yeah, so basically it's this, just automation is not replacing your job, it's elevating your job, okay? This is really important. Donc ce que je viens de dire, c'est que imaginez un perchiste, vous voyez? Pourquoi est-ce que vous mettrez pas un gimbal, vous voyez, au niveau de la perche? Ensuite vous réalisez un peu que en fonction de là où vous mettez la perche, ça change les choses. Ensuite vous réalisez que vous pouvez ajouter des boutons pour un peu modifier la perche, comment elle se met, vous voyez. Ensuite peut-être que vous pouvez l'attacher, vous voyez, sur vous, vous voyez, des choses comme ça. Et donc imaginez bien, vous imaginez bien que en fait ce job, ça devient un job très très skillé, vous voyez, très très skillé, et vous pouvez être payé énormément à faire ça, vous voyez. So you see, so donc vous voyez, même un job tout simple, le but c'est juste d'élever votre job, vous voyez, de faire des choses de mieux en mieux en mieux, ok? So the goal is just to do better and better things each time, okay? So even the most boring job, you can improve, okay? Même le job le plus pourri, vous pouvez l'améliorer, okay? So here we go. So so I think I've done the setup, so going to clip the setup. Donc je vais clipper le setup évidemment. Maybe going to get some water, going to clip the setup and start the integrity sequence. So obviously I'm starting the integrity sequence when I'm going to eat in a short while, but this is how it is, okay? Okay, so you see, the system bus speed is only 100 megahertz. So you see, like basically they are limiting the rate of communications on purpose, you see. So and you might say to me, Gauthier, I'm afraid because basically obviously we build all these constructions to get like 1,000 to 100,000 to 2,000 to 200,000 people working on things where we could have I don't know, 10,000 people working on it. So don't worry. Basically, if you worry about that, it's not good to worry about that. Basically, what I want to say to you is just, so you see, if the ball is growing, the surface is growing a lot, okay? So obviously if you have like 100 dimensions, if the ball of 100 dimensions growing, the surface is growing at a really fast rate, okay? So don't worry, there's going to be a job for everyone and real useful job, okay? So obviously this is the goal of all of this, okay? C'est le but de ça. Le but c'est de créer énormément de jobs à la frontière qui sont incroyables. Ok. So I don't know if the processor is going to be enough. 12 gen Intel Core, CPU speed 2 gigahertz. So obviously it depends a lot on what you do. So I have 12 cores. 12 cores will be able to do some things, right? But it's not going to be as okay. I got Pixel, nice. So it's not going to be as effective as a full MacBook Pro M5 Max, like all working. Okay, so going to get some water, going to come back with the integrity sequence.